What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we will be installing an air suspension kit. I'm having to record this after we've done it this past weekend, but thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get right to it.
Somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you now. You'll beg me, please. Hey. Now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I don't hear you say you're sorry.
Alright, so I think this is the general area we're gonna run the tank. It didn't come with bolts, so we gotta go find some. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Look, he didn't get much farther than us. What are we doing here?
I don't know.
You don't know. Alright, Levi, what are we doing?
We're gonna try to cut this out so the compressor.
What are we cutting?
We're trying to put the compressor in right here.
We just need to clearance it.
We're gonna cut all this out the way so it sits flat. And the tank pretty much gonna sit right there. Hopefully we'll get the management done today. If not, start running the lines maybe. But installing the bags on Sunday, so right now we're just trying to get the management going.
Yeah, there's no way to do cutting right.
So now what? A dip in the plans again.
You don't have my permission to record me.
Huh?
You don't have my permission to record me.
I'll blur your face on it.
Censor my voice.
We voiding warranties now.
Whoa. There it is. You suck at drilling.
Alright, so right now we're drilling the hose out for the tank. We might have to get different bolts because kinda messed up. We need the shorter ones and more threads. So we're gonna drill these holes out and I guess grab some different bolts.
It's gonna be a long installation.
Yeah, you're recording all the dumb shit.
I'm just recording all
It might be behind the carpet. So did a damn good job on that.
So now we're trying to run the 12-volt wire. I think we're gonna go somewhere through the firewall. So
He's a bitch for to do that. I don't think so. That was made specifically
video off too. Use the other light.
While Tony's away, I'm gonna take over his vlog. So far what we have done is we have taken out the console. I think our next step is going to be putting the controls in here. We're gonna have it running through this little hole right here. So yeah, this is my console. Super cute, I know. But this is what we have done so far. Kind of nothing really. We have everything wired already. Only thing we have to do is do the ground wire, like all the lines for the bags, and I think that's all. So bye, I'll give back to Tony. So guys, we have removed the console, and I'll leave the rest up to Tony.
Right in between. Yeah.
Like right here.
Right. Yeah, I'd go
That light goes
right there.
right.
It's hard to get a
You may get underneath there to make sure.
You can watch where the hole comes out. It won't matter. Someone hold the light, you hold the light. It's done. If you look at this diagram, everything is ran except for the accessory wire, the ground wire, and then we gotta do the T's to the front and rear. So we're almost there.
Alright, now, what are we doing with this one?
We need to run that up to the fuse panel and attach it to an accessory.
Alright, so this is our accessory cord, and then we're gonna test, make sure the compressor and everything works, and then we'll get to installing the bags. And that's my 5-second.
These aren't gonna work either. Don't take it yet. Let me get it all cramped.
Well,
Twist.
Is it going in there? Jeez.
This looks gay.
Half of it's in there.
Try to pull it out. Alright. This part, you don't want to record this. It's gonna take a minute.
Shut up.
Going hard. Hear anything?
See, it's not messing it up
Let's see.
at all, really.
What is that even for? That's a small hole. Oh, that. Okay, we're gonna make them big. Where's the other hole? What even is that for?
Right in the center of that. Yeah, don't do that. Do not do that. That looks ugly on this side.
Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now.
I gotta connect the battery.
Hold on.
turn it on.
Yep, pressure. Wait.
It's not doing it.
Does my car have to be all the way on?
The ground's not connected. I'm gonna call my buddy.
Alright guys, so we got all the airlines hooked up. Everything's working right. Pressure gauge. We're not gonna be able to see the pressure in the gauge until we hook the actual bags up. But other than that, everything's working fine how it's supposed to. So I guess next step we'll install the bags and then I guess take it for a test drive.
You can cut it more than once.
Alright guys, so we got the rear strut and airbag installed. Right now we're running the lines and then we're going to test the rear and then we'll move to the front. That's so dope. Alright, so now we're putting the Teflon tape around the fitting. You know, this is a part people don't really show on the installs. But this helps the line from leaking. Just want to be extra sure no air is coming out of the lines. I just stop. You don't want it to drop on that. Holy shit!
Holy shit.
What are we doing now?
Taking out the fender liner so we can go dummy low.
Yes, sir. So we're gonna try to get these fender liners out and then install the front struts and the airbags, and then it should be almost done.
No, there's not.
There's nothing on the bottom?
No, we're good to go.
Right there.
Alright, now, what do I do with this? Alright, done.
I didn't even get that.
We still need to test drive it.
Forward.
Oh, fuck.
Two. Should be good.
Alright, let's stop. Alright, you can stop. Alright guys, so we finished the air suspension install. Do a little walk around at the car right now. Want to thank you all again for watching this video today of the air suspension install on the 2022 Kia Forte. Next week, I'm not sure what the content's going to be, but until next time, just remember anything's possible. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, leave a comment if you would. And until next time, we'll see you.